this is Svenja, and today's video is about the fifth pattern in harmonic minor. With this video I'm concluding my harmonic minor workshop series. Today you'll learn the fifth scale pattern, which you can use to improvise over the chord on the seventh step of the scale. And since I already said anything about the theory of harmonic minor in my past videos and articles, we'll start with the fifth pattern right away. I'll play it beginning in the 4th fret and one octave higher beginning in the 16th fret of the lower E string. Now the same pattern in thirds. Again, beginning in the 4th fret and in the 16th fret of the lower E string. The following sequence would make a good outro to a song. Pay attention that you gradually get slower from the beginning until the ringing note before the last part of this lick. Here you should trust your feeling and don't rely on a metronome. Therefore, this time I didn't record this lick to a click. I hope this workshop helped you understanding the harmonic minor scale better. If this is the first video of this workshop you're watching and you want to start from the beginning, you should take your time with each pattern. Play it as often as possible to get the sound in your ears, explore the musical opportunities you have with it, and of course create your own licks. You should also have a look at the chords on each step of the scale and their containing notes to refer to them while improvising. Of course, you should also listen to music using the harmonic minor scale. Ingrid Malmsteen, for example, uses the scale quite frequently. If you like this workshop, I'd much appreciate it if you leave me a like. There will be further workshops about other topics in the future, so when you don't want to miss them, subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell icon to get notified. You can find the links to the article and the tabs to this video in the description box below. Now I'd like to thank you for watching, and until next time, keep grooving.